Hey there, in this video, you'll know the exact tips of how to set up a best dropshipping company that suits your requirements, reach your audience and increase your sales. These are the companies that are used by many dropshippers who makes a lot of sales and earn a massive income. You don't need to be a dropshipping expert or a pro to get sales and make money in this business. The real fact is that 90% of new dropshippers don't get sales and struggle to get the best out of the dropshipping companies, even after putting all their efforts in selling the products. The reason behind this is that they are not choosing the right dropshipping company for their dropshipping business. Here is the list of best dropshipping companies, and the outlines of each company you'll need to know at beginner, intermediate or advanced levels. That saves you a tons of time that you put in searching a best dropshipping company. Watch the video till the end for the information about best dropshipping companies, and pick a company that suits best to your interests and needs. First in the list is Spocket. Spocket allows you to select the variety of best products to dropship from various categories and from dropshipping suppliers all over the world. With 80% of dropshipping suppliers based within the US and Europe, shipping is quick, reliable, and effortless with Spocket. You can use Spocket from anywhere in the world, ship and sell the products worldwide. This platform is integrated with Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and WooCommerce. Spocket allows to automate AliExpress dropshipping for free with the AliScraper product importer. All products of Spocket have discounts of between 30% and 40% of its retail price, allowing to earn a respectable profit margin. Give the video a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content. Second in the list is SaleWho. SaleWho is a wholesalers directory with over 8,000 wholesalers, dropshippers, manufacturers and liquidators, a great source of fantastic items to resell for great profits. The SaleWho educational materials and bonus guides deliver the answers you have been searching for about dropshipping, finding niche items to sell and insider secrets of importing. You will find reviews and how-to articles on new tools, eBay selling tips and all current issues facing by online retailers in the regularly updated SaleWho blog. You'll have unlimited training and valued support at every step of the way. You can organize supplier details and safely negotiate the lowest cost for your products with no minimum orders. Number 3 in the list, Inventory Source. This platform allows to integrate your supplier's inventory, to automatically upload product data, and sync inventory quantities with over 25 online store platforms, marketplaces and multi-channel management platforms. Inventory Source is dropship automation software integrated supplier network that automatically upload products, sync inventory and route orders with dropship suppliers to virtually any online store, marketplace or e-commerce platform. Dropshipping automation in this platform helps you to connect to their 230+ dropship supplier network, or add your own supplier. You will gain instant access to 120,000 products from the list of their favorite suppliers. The company will take care of the supplier approval process, and you don't have to go through the process. The wholesale and dropship supplier directory of this company includes the top distributors from leading dropship niches, offering exclusive brands, large catalogs and high-demand products. Number 4, Worldwide Brands. Worldwide Brands is a wholesale directory service that connects you to millions of products and thousands of suppliers. This company is a great source of wholesale product sourcing information that is solely certified by eBay. This company provides direct lifetime access to all wholesalers and 16 million certified wholesale products with a low fee. The membership of this company is for a lifetime that gives you access to their wholesale directory, support, community forum, and resources that teach you to sell online. Worldwide Brands offers a plenty of free resources, such as ebooks and newsletter, on how to build a successful e-commerce business. Choosing a reliable and reputed dropshipping company is a key factor in starting a successful dropshipping business. Start your journey by selecting the best dropshipping company for your dropshipping business.